Chief among issues in modern society is the aging population, one that presents a fundamental effect on societal sustainability. With an aging population, we are also witnessing an increasingly sicker population. As humans age, their immune system begins to malfunction, increasing susceptibility to disease and disability. It also becomes more difficult to manage pre-existing conditions, leading to potential comorbidities. For the Canadian healthcare system, this means expending more resources than ever before. Thus, the impact on the economy is also widespread. With more money being spent on healthcare to help the aging population, less money becomes available to develop and aid other sectors of economy. This is indeed a pressing issue. One preeminently moral question remains: what ought to be done about this situation? In his book, Ethics in Aging, The Right to Live and Die, Thornton J.E. writes that such a question must consider all things, and thus moral reasoning is incomparable to other modes of reasoning in policy and social conduct. This considered, we can lay down questions that Thornton J.E. considers in his book. To whom do we first allocate healthcare resources in dire situations? Which principles govern this matter, and who decides this? Furthermore, with the current economic strain due to the aging population, how do we manage appropriate public policies concerning retirement and pensions? There is no simple answer to these questions. From a strictly natural law opinion, all lives are viewed equal, and these questions should be considered transgressions. On the other end, a positivistic viewpoint may consider these burdens and use a utilitarian approach to this ethical gridlock. It is clear that the aging population situates us in a unique position. We're faced with many problems because of this phenomenon, but its distinctiveness arises from its innate ethicality. Perhaps we're meant to do nothing about it, and sit back, harm no life, and live as equals as natural law would have it, or perhaps act for the greatest good, for the greatest number, as positive law may see fit. Regardless, it would be in our best interest to monitor the progress of the aging population, but to not act impulsively.